As you can see, got this thing. I had trouble keeping this thing cranked, but what it was, anybody having trouble? What it was, I had do some adjustments to the carburetor because when I added this thing on, it's got more air. So, turn the idle down, turn the low meter down a little bit because what it did, it richened it out. As you can see there. See how black that is? I mean, your spark plugs tell you everything about a motor. And see how black that is? That's rich. It was wet. I had wiped it off. It was really, really wet with gasoline, but and then it got to the point where a 2-liter engine, man, would tell on you. For real. Just like a turbo engine will. A 2-cycle. Don't kill me in the comments. 2-cycle engine would tell on you. Spark plugs tell everything about any engine. I don't care if it's out of this thing. I don't care if it's out of a bike. I don't care if it's out of your car, truck, whatever. Spark plugs tell you what's up with your motor. You too rich, you too lean, whatever. And as you can see, look at that. Come on, focus. That sucker right there is like way too, it was black. It's like way too wet. Way too wet, man. So I put a new one in. Catch these NGKs. If you're looking for it for the Rovan 45C Baja, what you want is the CMR 7Hs. I got them out of Advance for $2.89 per plug. I went ahead and got 5 of them. I just stocked up on them, man, because I know I'm going to be running this car like hell. And I know spark plugs in a 2-cycle engine, man, they eat up, especially a high-powered one like that. So, as you can see, it's running. And it's running good, too, strong. I mean, real strong. I'm proud, man. And so, it should be broke in. I'm gonna go through one more cycle with it. One more tank of gas, break it in. But it should be broke in. I got enough oil in that sucker, man. I got 3-in-1 oil in it. I got all kind of stuff. I got a liquid wrench down. I'm going to finish off my disc brakes. And, we're going to get this thing rolling, man. So, yeah, anybody having trouble starting like crazy, more than likely it is this. If it's an older unit and you've been running it like hell through dirt and sand, more than likely it's going to be you got dirt in that carburetor. For real, you're going to have to take that all the way back, all this shit down and get that carburetor, take that carburetor apart and clean it. But if you're having trouble like I was, and this right here is telling you, pull that spark plug, run it, break it in, and then pull this out, and then look at it. If it's black as hell and wet like that, you got it way too rich, for real. And then go back and adjust that carburetor. All right, man, it's Ty Nitty, y'all. I do this shit for real. And so, it was out. Like I said, I love the bill. For real, this is it. This is me. All right.